Hello. In today's video, we will focus on the Zoho Books to Ramp integration. To begin, we start in our Accounting tab and click Get Started Now. We find our Zoho Books accounting integration, and we go through a general onboarding flow. Accept certain permissions, select which Zoho company or organization you're connecting to, and denote which Zoho Books account will track your Ramp balance. Create a new liability account or use an existing account. In a matter of moments, we can easily connect Zoho Books to Ramp and get to work. Let's now take a look at how to sync a transaction from Ramp to Zoho Books. Here, on our Accounting tab, we have an overview of all of our card transactions. We can jump to one that's ready to sync. Ramp makes it easy to edit existing Zoho fields, whether it be the vendor, department, location. We can bring custom fields, reporting tags, or simply just the default standard Zoho fields. We can easily jump to our accounting field settings to get a look at which Zoho Books fields Ramp is syncing to, as well as the fields that are not in Ramp. Jumping into this transaction, we can see things like the receipt that was matched to the transaction, as well as different approvals, memo, and accounting fields that we have successfully mapped. When we're ready, we can sync this over to Zoho Books. In Zoho Books, this transaction is synced over as an expense. Here we can see expense details, such as dollar amount, how it was paid, vendor information, line item details, as well as the original receipt that was matched to this transaction in Ramp. Reimbursements work similar to transactions. From our Accounting tab, we can find the Reimbursement subtab, Configure to Sync, and Sync to Zoho Books. Reimbursements will appear under Expenses, crediting an account which you can configure in the Ramp settings. Let's quickly touch on Match to Bill in Zoho Books. To start, we create a bill in Zoho Books that we are looking to match within Ramp. Navigating over to Ramp, under our Accounting tab, we can find the transaction we are looking to match. Click the three buttons on the side of the transaction and find a Match to Bill tab. Easily reload bills and find the corresponding bill to match. Select the appropriate bill, match, and mark as ready. Just like that, we have matched our expense to the bill. Finally, let's take a look at how to sync cashback redemption and statement payments. Ramp makes it easy to bulk select and sync these over to Zoho Books. Once these are synced over, both cashback and statement payments will appear in Zoho Books under Banking and via the Ramp card. Cashback redemptions will appear as a debit to your Ramp card. Ramp makes it easy for Zoho Books customers to integrate and configure. This direct integration gives your finance teams time back so they can get more done. Navigate to Ramp's Help Center to stay up to date and learn more. Thanks for watching.